This video was made to briefly describe a drink dispenser project that was made by Artjoms Paulius for the Embedded Systems module. The aim of the system is to make drinks, therefore it needs pumps to transfer liquids, and since we decided to have 4 liquids in our demo application, we have 4 pumps. Every pump requires 2 pipes, one goes to a container with a liquid and another one goes to a glass. The glass is put on a platform which is supported by a weight sensor that helps us to measure how much liquid there is in the glass. That way the system is able to serve precise portions. Also, when a drink is made, the sensor checks if it's taken, just as a small security feature. To be able to activate the needed pump, the system needs a relay. Since pumps have only connections for power and ground, they need a switch that would provide power to the selected peripheral. The board does not provide enough power, hence we connected an external power supply to the relay. To make sure that the containers always have enough liquid to make a drink, we put water level sensors inside. The system checks if the required liquids are there when the user asks it to make a drink. In addition to that, there is a light sensor next to the containers. The liquids are kept in a separate box, and the light sensor makes sure that the box is closed when the system is asked to make a drink, just as an extra safety feature. If the box is open, then the system shows an error message and refuses to dispense anything. On top of that, there is GLCD to display information to the user and touchscreen to take the input. As for hardware, we used STM Discovery board together with 4 pumps, 1 weight sensor, 1 relay, 4 water level sensors, 1 light sensor which is analog, 1 GLCD and 1 touchscreen. The system makes use of 13 peripherals, 7 of which are unique. The list of software that was used to make the system is also available on the screen. Have you ever tried to make a cocktail at home? Well, we all know how it goes, right? That's why we decided to make our own drink dispenser. The application has a set of recipes that a user can choose from to make a drink, or can define his own one by selecting the ratio between the 4 available liquids. The weight sensor tracks how much liquid there is in the glass and is able to display a progress bar, which is really nice. What you see on the screen now is the system making a drink, which is obviously the main use case and the main feature of the application. Once a drink is made, the system will halt and wait for the user to pick the glass, thanks to the weight sensor. And of course, it is not possible to make a drink if there is no required liquid. A similar error message appears if the box with the containers is open.